How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to add money to your Skrill account. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and as you guys can probably tell from my screen, there's a guide provided by Skrill themselves on how to actually add money to your account. So to do it is quite simple. All you guys have to do is you can either log into the app if you have it on your phone, or you can do it on their website if you're on desktop. Now, first thing you need to do is log into your account, like I said, and once you guys are on the dashboard, you want to navigate your way around until you find the deposit button. So when you do find it, there should be somewhere around the left-hand side of the screen, or it could be up here. I don't know. So you want to click on deposit and then select the option called bank transfer. Now, once you select that, it should take you to a whole new page where you get to fill out the bank details as well as your reference number. So here you're going to add the name of the bank, the amount that you want to deposit, as well as the reference number, the address and whatnot, and your account number. So once you've done all of that and you've reviewed the details, you're ready for the next step, which is to make the transfer. So from your bank account, make a transfer to Skrill using these details. So basically, just what we talked about before, and then don't forget to add the reference number as it will help them process your deposit faster. And honestly, it's that simple. Now it usually takes up to 2 to 5 days for this to take effect, but that's honestly all there is to it. So to make a deposit, just log in and follow the on-screen instructions, and you guys are good to go. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guys like these daily, so if you want to share your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.